Hello, today I'm Adelina and I'm going to be doing a popsicle stick flag with you. Today we are going to need 6 long popsicle sticks. We're going to need 3 short popsicle sticks cut in half. And then we are going to need glue, a little like a tinsel, like a paintbrush or something to spread glue with, a pencil, and scissors. And we'll need a paper. And if you want to, you can have a Sharpie to write your name at the end. Okay. We are going to set our 6 popsicle sticks like this. You will need to glue them down so you can get your glue. Just your long ones. Okay. So we're going to get out our glue and you're going to take each one and dab little spots. A piece of paper.
Around it?
Or just where your thing. You can do it on here or you can do it on a piece of paper. Then you're going to spread it around. It's not like globs in one spot. And you're going to put yours down and do that. And then you're going to do that with all of these popsicle sticks, and I'll show you the next step. Yeah. Then, after you're done doing the popsicle sticks down, you're going to take your 3 popsicle sticks and you're going to put them on the top 3. And you're going to glue them down like this. I'm going to set them like that. And you're going to glue them down. The same thing that we did just now. So after your glue is done drying, we're going to need paint. So while it's drying, you can grab some like acrylics or wooden paint we have. Okay, so after your glue is dry, we should have our paints, and me and my sisters, we got red, blue, and white for our flag. And then you can put your paints on like a piece of cardboard or a paint palette. And we're also going to need brushes, so if you have those, then yeah. So, I think what's best is have us start out with the red stripes, and then we'll go into the white and then the blue. So. So, after you're done drying, you can start doing the blue, and you're going to use your smaller brush instead of your bigger brush because we are going to do the smaller sticks. So the short sticks that are in half should be painted blue, and the other ones are the stripes. And if you think that your color isn't dark enough, you can always go over another shade, because I feel like I might want to do another shade of my red. So we're going to do our white, but want to make sure your brush is completely, like, really clean, because any of that red and blue gets in there, then yeah, we'll mess up it a lot. So always helps to have a cup of water too, instead of just having a paper towel, because it makes it easier to clean out the color. So after you got your brushes clean, we're gonna do stars on the blue part, and then we're gonna do our white stripes to make sure that this is completely dry. And it doesn't, like, you can make your stars any shapes. You can even make them like flowers if you wanted to make like your own made up flag. Right now I'm just making like little flower-like stars, but you could do even like dots to make it more tinier, because I don't. And it doesn't really matter how much stars. I'm thinking of doing like 10 to match like 50 stars, 50 states. But you could do like 5, you could do 50 if they're that tiny. Depends on the size. So I'm gonna do 10. So after you've used your tiny brush on the stars, you'll take your other big brush and use it to do our stripes that haven't been colored yet, painted. Okay, so now that our paint's all dry, we are gonna cut our thing out with our scissors. So we wanna like get around popsicle sticks. You wanna keep the popsicle sticks on the paper that they're already on, because they're glued down, so. And if there's any other extra papers, like I can't get exactly around, we can always fold those under and glue them on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. So after you're done cutting yours out, we can flip it around and you can like, well, actually don't flip it around. When you see the corners, we can like, yeah, try to cut them out, and if you can't, you can just like fold them under like that. So it'll be under that. You can like glue it, so you can like pinch this under. So once you are done doing that, then you can sign your name on the back or the front. That's only optional. Have a Sharpie, sign your name. Your signature, that would be, yeah. You like sign your name with. I like doing this. A and then J and a K and A. It's like just one letter that's jumbled up with a 2 other letters to make Adelina drinkers. My initials are. And then you're done. Thank you for y'all to come today. I am delighted that you watched this video, and I decided to do the flag because it's 4th of July and I wanted to make a piece to celebrate for decoration. And so my sisters did these. This is Aravis's, and this is Liesl's. That's mine. So thank you for coming today. Love you.